Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make donuts cake. Preheat oven to 350 degrees F and grease a ring pan thoroughly. Combine wet and dry ingredients, then fold batter gently to avoid overmixing. Fill the pan 2/3 full and bake until a toothpick comes out clean. Let the cake cool completely before glazing to prevent runny topping. Finish with decorations while the glaze is tacky for best adherence. Start by measuring flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt, then sift for even texture. Cream butter and sugar until light and fluffy, then beat in eggs one at a time. Alternate adding dry ingredients with milk or buttermilk, mixing just until combined to preserve air. Scrape the bowl and fold gently to incorporate any pockets of flour. Pour batter into a prepared ring pan and tap to release large air bubbles. Make a simple glaze using powdered sugar, a splash of milk, and vanilla, adjusting consistency to a thick, pourable state. Pour the glaze over the cooled cake, allowing it to drip naturally down the sides for authentic donut looks. Immediately add sprinkles or toppings while the glaze is still tacky so they adhere well. For a firmer finish, refrigerate the cake for 20 to 30 minutes before slicing and serving to guests.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.